Hello everyone, I felt like doing another one, so here we are. Today we'll be doing Double or Quit It in Caterpillar Country. 15 points, it's a NACLO one, this is hard. Maybe it'll be hard. This is another morphology one, the last one was also a morphology one, my bad. Alright, have not read it. Let's go into it blind, I guess. Okay. RR, that's important. Hold on, I like using the draw tool. Some combinations sounds TH, RR, TH, RL, I guess. So RL and RR are single sounds. I see. A whole bunch of verbs. Emme or ek. Oh, I think I have done this one before, but I just don't remember it. What meaning is expressed by emme, eke suffixed to the stem of each of these words? I'm starting with a question, so I know what I'm looking for, learning from my mistakes. Or actually reading it, reading. The stem is part of the word. And then we have indicate, which two aspects of a word indicate that an action is frequent. So looking for frequency and commencing. What sort of sounds or sequences of sounds must always follow epe, elp, or elrp? Okay. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, it looks like this is a, whatchamacallums, a tense thing. They're all, almost all of them are ing. Okay, let's compare them all together there. So we got athereme, eke erepemere. Okay, so here's when the word ends. Atheme, yeah. Unless it's like 2000 IQ. Jesus Christ, did I actually say that? Killing myself. Or unless the E is actually part of the suffix, or the vowel. Given that they're all constant, I'm going to assume no. Yeah. So we got the MAs. Oh. We got the met. Oh, wait a minute. Didn't we see it down here? That was like epererp. Okay, never mind. That makes me think that the vowel's like important, but probably not. Yeah, no. Ata. No. At. Unthe. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the is. Is laughing. So you got meh, eme. Let's look at this one a little closer. Yeah, no, it's actually here. RMA. Why? Maybe oh, it's an infix. Duh. Okay, so what we have here is these are two different ones, so we can't assume they're the same. So we're going to cut it like this. Oh, and I don't know where to cut it here. Oh, well. Okay, so starts to. I guess we can just change it up for the starts to now, because I don't know where to freaking cut it. And then for this one, untheme, me, unthe. Wait, these are the same ones. Alright, that's gonna be interesting. So get the mes, me, me. Oh, that was just a miss splice for me. May, K, yep, okay. So, oh no, it was MA. I'm gonna kill myself. I just read that part. Dang it. I guess that would be cut there then. This is so annoying. I knew I saw it somewhere, and I went down because I thought it was at the bottom. I was like, it's not there, I guess. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what to cut on that one. Yeah, freaking no clue. MAs, AKs. Okay. So, what meanings expressed by MA and EK? So, MA is laughing. It's the time of the action, technically? Because is laughing means the time is now, right? He is laughing. Was laughing, yeah, time action. Is grinding, was grinding. Is making, was making. Keeps going along, kept going along. Oh, those are different. Whoops. Is going along. Keeps. Yeah. MA to demolish something. That's not continuous. It doesn't tell us the duration because we don't know when it ends and we don't know when it starts. Oh, wait, it's only one? Yeah, it's only one. I'm slow. Indicate by completing the answer with a single entry in each blank with two aspects of a word indicated by the thing. Frequent. Add something to the verb stem followed by duplication of the O. Let's skip that one. Commencing. Yeah, I can do that. Starts, 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 starts. So, add something or something, the latter after R or T. What? Man, my brain is like fried. Add something or something, X or Y, the latter after R or T. Okay, oof, Jesus. So, yeah, I understand. And so this means that, like, this one's the base one, but in case there is an R or T, we will use the second one, yeah. After the something consonants of the verb stem followed by the whole. Let's just take a look, man. So we see a replacement here with an E, and I think I see the MA, which tells us the time. So we can cut this part out. Actually, let's just do this because like it's unnecessary. We already figured out the deal with the MAs. So we have an ERL, Earl Par. We have the Earl Patak. We have El Pempoir. Jesus, that's not what I don't recognize that. And then El Path. Does the TH exist in this language? The TH does indicate a sound. Okay. So, oh, jeez, okay. R or T. Let's look for R's and T's. So this one is at the R. it's not. After the first consonants? Yeah, that makes sense. Because we see it starts to change after the first set of consonants. The mpu, the ath, the r. And I guess we could divide this up between the r's and t's just to see now. Ooh, r's and t's just to see. That rhymed. Ooh, Jesus Christ. U are R. I'll put one there to indicate R. You're a T. You're not. You're not. Yes. Okay. So we got EL. We got the elf. No, that's not a thorn, is it? Well, we got an elpath, and then we got an elpempoir. The AR feels like the ending here, so I'm also going to wipe that. Oh, because it's an insert anyways. Yes. Is that a reduplication of the freaking TH? That makes sense. This does look like reduplication. In fact, this is all reduplication. Ac. Yes, yes, this is reduplication. So we got Earlth. I'm gonna just treat it like a thorn, bro. Elf, Earlth. Wait, Elthe? What? I guess it has an E just in case it starts with a consonant. Add a... Oh, no, dumbass. That just eats it. Earlth or elf? And then the elf is in case of not. So, elf, and then earlth. Right? Yeah, earlth. After the first consonants of the verb stem followed by the whole verb root verb base. That makes sense. Yeah, that does. And let's figure this one out now. Frequent. Keeps doing it. Keeps. Okay. Neclo, we don't get to erase, or I don't erase, so I'm not going to do that. Keeps. Let's figure this one out now. So what rules are there? Add something to the verb stem followed by a duplication of the vowel, of the something vowel, and the consonants of the verb stem. Well, now we have keeps, we have keeps, we have keeps, and we have kept. Okay, let's just get rid of the EKs and MAs. Ah, we got keeps here too. Let's get rid of you. Wait, does that mean... Oh my god. Okay. So the unth ends here, I think. It could also be unthe. I don't think so though. Attack ends here. Ather ends here. Yeah, I think that's about it. I think. Keeps, nope. We still got this one to clear up. Mpoir, epar. We got epar. We got eper. We got epak, epunt, and impunt. So I'm gonna guess that's a reduplication of the consonant sound, since a reduplication of the prefix of the beginning. So add eth. Yeah, add eth. Ether. Yeah, that makes sense. Right. No, not at all. I don't get you. I kind of do. Ethak. The AK seems like that part. I would barely count it as a reduplication. Unless it was. Okay. Of the... Ethak. Second vowel and consonants. Second pair of. Add. Yeah. I don't know how to write thorn with a fancy way. I wish there was, or I knew. Oh well. Yeah, I think that's right. Alright, how many questions? Okay, I have lots of questions left and 4 minutes to do them. Ah! Which commencing verb in the above list needs an additional tweak to produce the correct attested form? What is the attested form? Did I not read it correctly? Nope. The attested form does not exist there. Okay. I guess I'll have to erase. So you got the starts here, 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 and here. Well, add the elf, or the earth, followed by the whole verb base. So you got ath, elf, atheme, yeah, which because it adds this part. Puel, elf. Why are you here? Elf, emph. Oops. Elthe. Yeah. Eltha. I guess the E is just for the sake of, yeah, we already came to that conclusion. Earth. Areme. Attack. No, at Earth. Atakeme. Isn't that all of them? Oh, I'm gonna say it's this one because I don't see anyone else, but also it could also very well be because this one has a consonant in front of it. I'm gonna say it's that one. The freak. That's gonna be hard to write. Wealth. 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 Emthwareme. I really hope it wasn't supposed to take all the letters. No, it would be too easy that way. What sort of sounds must always follow elf vowel? What? No. I don't like you for making me erase my precious annotations. Oh, 20 minutes. F, elf, or elf? F, er, elf, ach, elf, emth. Earth. It might be vowel consonant, really. Earth, F, ak, at, F, unth. No, that's vowel consonant consonant. Okay, 3 new words. Arl, que, eke. Oh my god. Quer, F, right? What do I gotta end at the end of it? RMA, okay. So in this case, it'd be RMA. Starts to think, which would be what should be eat, earth, eat, ear, oh, kept, eke. Yay, we did it in a reasonable time. We're not going to check our answers because they're cool like that. No, that's a bad idea. I really should. But alas, I'm a bit slow. Okay, answer time. Oh. Are the answers, like, not here? What was this one again? Double in Caterpillar Country? Double or quit? Okay, let's run it. I guess I did zoom out on this one. Oh, Jesus Christ, my back hurts. Anyways. B, time of action. Red. Correct. Two. A. That was a P? Whatever, that's what I meant. Oh, man. That looks like a thorn enough. It's like 75% of the way there. Ep, whatever. That's what I meant. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely could have been much more for that. Add elf or earth. Yep. Erp. Whatever. First. Verb. The reason why I said verb base instead of verb stem Ugh, whatever. It's verb stem. I need to find the difference between verb stem and base. And then please be the one I was thinking. 12. Whoa! I'm so good! Why? If we check to see if the procedure rule gives us the tested form in our list, we notice that we would expect yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. I love coming to completely reasonable conclusions and blowing them out of proportion. Okay. Now I'm kind of nervous about this one. Arl Kwe, yep. K-W-E-R-N-E-P, or freaking that thing. E-R-N-E-K-E. Yeah, great. Yeah, that was a K. I corrected it last second. I-T-E-R-L. P. I-T-I-R-R-E-M-E. Yay! We did it! I can't believe I thought that was a thorn the entire time. Yeah, this is definitely not a fancy... it's a kind of fancy font. It's kind of italicized. You know what I mean? Kind of. Was it really not second, but final? Yeah, no, I was thinking in my head earlier when I saw them freaking... I believe it was... this one? Or one of these? Where I saw that this was, like, not the final one or something? I don't know. I saw it earlier. I was like, nah, whatever. I mean, second one could also... No. Oh, man, it implies that there's a first. I should have definitely gone for the final. Just need to be more specific with my words, huh? Dang it. Oh, I aced it except for one. I mean, technically, I got most of them wrong if they count that as thorn instead of freak. What? 45 out of 38 points for the correct answer. 19 out of 15 for... I don't know how this grading scheme works. I don't know how this works, bro. Is it a fraction? No. That'd be so screwed if that were actually... Oh my god. If that adds up to 15, I'm killing myself, man. That's just it. No, yeah, it doesn't add up to the 15. Yep, we're good. Oh man, that would have been like ridiculous if that did. Alright. Feedback for this one. I guess the most that we could say is that, like, lock in more. My brain just loses track so often, so I guess leave more visual clues and make a probably cleaner annotation scheme and use more precise words. Yeah, I think that's some good, what do we call them, callbacks? Whatever. Okay, hopefully I can get another member on this next time. Jeez. Alright, bye-bye.